everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing for a 10-pound box of Plush. If you're new here, my name is Christy. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, mercari, and Poshmark. And today I'm here with my assistant, my daughter Bella.
Hello.
She's always on my Plush videos because she loves Plush because she's a kid. So, are you excited to get into this box?
Yeah.
Yeah? Excited to see what's in here?
Yeah.
Alright, should we get to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's a big huge box, 10 pounds. I'll give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what it looks like, how they pack it. And it's full to the brim. So let's dig in and see what we got.
Penguin.
We got penguin?
Penguin.
Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, it's a cute penguin. It's a lifelike penguin. Let's see, does it got a brand name? The Nature Company. Haven't heard of that one yet, but
There's eyes. Blue eyes.
oh yeah, it's got blue eyes. That's weird.
Like mine.
Yeah, blue eyes. Penguin, pretty good size, probably at least 12 inches tall.
So I just have.
You just have to see what that weird thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The
Well, that's
peacock.
actually kind of cool. I mean, I'm sure it's not worth any money because of the tie.
So I can have it?
You probably can't have this. Not guaranteeing you yet because we gotta look them up because some are worth something, but most are not. So this is a tie peacock named Flashy. Let's see, just have a year on you from 2000. So there you go. That's cute. I like that. That's shiny. All right, let's look at this one. All right, this is a bear. And
Bear?
nope. Let's see. I don't see a brand on it anywhere. I don't see a year on it anywhere. The tag on it says $5.99. Oh, it's distributed by Publix Supermarket. So there you go. What? It's a Pooh Bear. Called from Grad Night 1988 is what the pin is on him. Grad Night 88. I highly doubt he's from 1988, but who knows? Actually, he might be. Disneyland, Walt Disney World. That's a very old tag. So.
Vintage?
Yep, very definitely vintage. Let's see if I can see anywhere where it actually says a year. Nope, no year, but the tag is definitely a very old Disney tag.
So we have this little kitty or fox. Not
Is it
like
a
a
tie
chihuahua.
Is it like a colorful chihuahua?
Yeah, so
see.
his ears.
Is
His
it
big
safety tie?
eyes.
Yeah, tie called Cancun is his
Mom,
name,
Mom,
Cancun?
we have
What-
another
what-
one. We have
An
another
Eeyore?
from Disney thing.
Let's see. Nope, just from Mattel. He looks like he's kind of dirty too, doesn't he? Or is it just the way he looks?
I don't know.
I don't know either. So this is just a cheap Eeyore from Mattel. Got some pulled things. Who knows?
Pull one at the
What you
same
got?
time.
No, you pull them out.
I'm gonna find something new.
What you got? Well, not new.
Oh, it has a
Yes.
tax protector.
Oh. Okay. Another thing from Publix called Shining Stars. It's a cow. So it's tag in plastic. Internet. I don't know.
International.
No, it's from 2006. Raspberry. How you get started. Log on. Oh, so you can look kind of like a Webkins type thing. You can log in the computer, put in the code. Looks like you got sealed code, so we'll look and see if that's worth anything or not. I have no idea. This is another, looks like Chibi Bear from World Plush. Yeah, he's not even like centered. Like, look at him. His face is all funky. Yeah, you see that? Actually, oh, yeah, he's no good. He's got a big old rip in his neck. Dog toy? Dog toy.
Dog toy.
All right, what we got
Are
here?
you?
No, we got Tigger, we got Eeyore, we got Winnie the Pooh, we got them all. So this is a Hallmark bear.
And I got this now.
It's a white Hallmark bear. I have no idea if he's worth anything. Probably like $10.
Wait a minute.
What?
This person's a fan.
Yeah, oh yeah. Where was it? Was it wrapped around his neck or something?
It was wrapped around his hand.
Okay, so wrapped around Tigger's. I had a brain fart. There's like a bracelet, and it has a Tigger, and a Pooh, and it has an Eeyore, and initials, and this big old keychain. So let's see, is he a Disney? Is he a Mattel? He's just a Mattel Eeyore. He's very, very dirty.
Fuzzy.
Very, very dirty.
Get in my nose.
Yeah, here's another Eeyore. He's a rattle Eeyore.
And here's another Eeyore.
Oh, seriously, another rattle Eeyore?
Yeah.
Okay, Disney, Pooh.
In his nose.
Yeah. So, some rattly Eeyores. He's dirty. What you see?
I don't know.
That's not what you're looking at?
No, I see.
Is it? Yay! No, I'm just a fan, so let's see if he makes noise. Ah, he's broken!
What is it?
Not cool!
What is it?
It's a Taco Bell Chihuahua. He says stuff like, Kilo Taco Bell. It's commercials from the 90s, guys, right? We all remember Taco Bell Chihuahua. But he's broken. Oh,
That's what I was trying to find.
how rude.
How crude.
Not cool. Ooh, Prisoner of Love Bear. Got a ball and chain. Oh my god, he's filthy dirty.
Yeah, where to pull this on?
Okay, what's this?
Well, we cannot sell this one.
What's this?
One, something like weird and hard in his foot.
Well, I'll check them out.
And then,
This is a weird ducky. Plush animal from Chosun. Let me see this. Let me see. Okay, it's just a dandy collector's choice, especially for you, Bear. It is definitely filthy, definitely dirty. Got all kinds of gunk on it. I mean, I'll look it up and see if it's worth washing the nasty booty. Ted, part of United, so like a United Airlines bear.
Mommy, do you see anything different?
I do. You got a pretty hat on your head. Wonder what that pretty hat's supposed to. Oh no way! Come on.
No.
Another Eeyore. This is just the box of the Eeyore, and there's another Eeyore.
I'm gonna find them all.
This one's got no tag.
That's
He's
mine.
just a beanbag.
That's mine.
He might be.
Yeah,
What is
that
it?
poop? Smell it.
I'm not smelling it. I just wash it. It's a SeaWorld sea lion. Watch out.
No.
SeaWorld sea lion.
I need this next thing. I need it. I need it.
Oh, let me see.
I need it.
No way.
I need it.
That's so cute.
I love the eyes.
Yes.
Reminds me of a cat.
Yeah, like a cat
For
gorilla.
a witch. For like a
So
witch.
what do you think his
Purple
name
eyes.
is? George. His name is George. Look at them eyes.
Georgie.
Georgie. But his eyes are
George.
huge and purple and
I
sparkly.
need it.
You need that in your life?
I need it.
You need it in your life?
I need it. I'm putting it on my bed.
Yeah. Look at this. What is this? Is this a bear or is this a cat?
No.
You tell me, bear or cat?
That's a cat. Wait, no, wait. That's a cat. That's definitely
Yeah,
a cat.
that's a cat. Okay, it's a cat, but its tags are completely faded. The pretty kitty with a flower. What's so funny? Another Eeyore?
No, it's not.
Not an Eeyore, a Tigger. Is he a bouncing Tigger?
I don't
He
know.
is. He's a bouncing Tigger. I don't know if he works, but he's supposed to be. Oh, look at watch.
This is my new bath toy.
Oh, he's broke.
The cat likes it.
The cat doesn't like it. She's like, what
Like
is
it?
Ducky. Come on,
Yeah.
Denarius. You want to see the
That's where the hat's supposed to go on. Where did the hat go?
over there?
I didn't.
Here
See?
is
See, Mom?
a imported, whatever. Yes, from a rubber ducky. That's not a plush. They don't know what a plush is. It's just a.
My ears are
Snowman.
ringing. My ears are actually ringing.
Here
Now that's cool.
is a hug fun. No, hug and love. Get big head. Hug and love.
With a protector. It doesn't have a
What
tag.
animal is this again?
A moose.
There we go. Moose.
A moose.
Brain wasn't working. Moose. What else we got?
Like
That's a weird bunny. That is a weird bunny.
That's creepy.
That
I want
is
you to
creepy.
immediately sell that.
On new materials, age, whatever. There's no brand tag, but that is a creepy bunny.
Terrifying.
That's just a weird bunny. All right, what else we got? What else we got? We're getting down to it, guys.
A little lamb with a little tip.
Jeez. Quality products. Yeah. This is definitely vintage,
This is
but it
definitely
just says
vintage.
Publix. There's a lot of
This girl
Publix
has
in
bows
here.
on her feet.
She got bows on her feet.
She's really sussing. Like, what
And
is
she's
that?
got something in her.
I smelt it, but it doesn't.
Oh, she's a wind up. I don't see a tag on her anywhere. Nope, no tag on her anywhere. And her face, I mean, you really can't see. I wonder if she's vintage then. I don't know. I have no idea where that's from. Alright, let's see. What's this other snowman? Yeah, a snowball. Rustberry. Yes, baby. Snowman. But
Olaf.
he's filthy. What?
Olaf.
That's not Olaf. Okay.
I'm sleepy.
Are you tapping out?
I'm sleepy,
Yeah.
tired.
Here's another one of those bears that were originally $5.99. They were almost done. We got like 4 left.
No, more screen
This-
protectors.
Oh yeah, it's another shining star bear. Another shining star bear.
That bear's a dog.
No, that's a bear. And his face is like hard. What you want, Aria? Aria's coming to check out the thing over here. On new materials, some yucky lamb. That's gross.
You know,
This
we
box
have
is
bears.
really dirty. Here is another Hug Love moose. And last but not least, we have something that I
Clifford.
can't read.
Clifford.
That's not Clifford. It is a red bear.
Come here.
He's got a gold heart. I cannot read this tag. I don't know if any of you guys can read it or recognize it if you sell Plush, but I've never seen it. On the back it says Jerry Elsner & Co. Made in China. So, I don't know. He feels like he's kind of out of stuffing.
This guy's dorpy. He's derpy.
He's derpy.
He's derpy.
Alright guys, that's everything. This was not a great box.
Great for me, though.
Yeah, not as good as our other box, huh?
Great for me, though.
Why great for you?
Because when you have bad boxes, then basically means they have a hole. When they have a hole, then you get them to me.
Ah. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We will be back with more videos. Please give me a like and subscribe if you're new. I would appreciate it. It really helps us and it's free for you. Trying to build this. I will be buying some more of these boxes if these are things you like watching. And be ready to shut this video off, Isabella. Be ready to shut that off here in just a second. Okay. So appreciate every guys watching and we will talk to you guys later. Have a great week and bye.